DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector.
Gang. What's good, YouTube gang? You don't know what time it is. The Dan back in the lab. Yeah, man, gang. Today I'm with none other than Mr. Zombie himself. You see me and say Mr. Loyalty himself, Shawn and Ding Dong, the one name Return. I check it out and see what I go on. You see me and say, gang, road to 10K, so make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. You see me and say, we're in the 2,800 from 10K. You don't know I tried it before the year done. You see me and say, gang, we just have put in the work. So just do the right thing. Hit the like and subscribe button. Yeah, man. Yeah. So Shawn, Ding Dong, the one name Return. I check it out and see what dog I deal with. Let's get it, gang.
Yo, bro. Fresh from H. Gaza.
Gaza loyalist, come in. How that jiggity? A jiggity? Okay. I think I see Ding Dong preview this, Shawn preview this on the page on Instagram, one of them. You see me, I say like a month ago. Alright, they probably released it.
Guess who's back? Who's back? Back again. Shawn's back. Device back. Tell a friend.
Tell a friend, the zombie's back, come in.
Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
Zombie and World Ding, come in.
Shawn they again fi set the trend. Yo, wording, hold them fi forget me when. Rough up the road, do not beg fi friend. Shake off the backbite and the pestilence.
Okay, this is sound better, way better than the preview. Okay, on IG. When I heard it, I was like, boy, I get the mixed down and sing. Alright, go on.
Well, let go me. Boy, when you see me no running, where you dead with? Pussy from your switch, from where you turn the enemy.
Yeah.
You must say a Gaza for life till it dead away.
Yeah, I mean.
And we have the best.
Gaza for life till the death away. Go on, man. Talk true, no, man. Gaza do it long time, you know, man. Come true.
If you go Benz, pussy a S-class, Prada shades, wear, look at no test glass.
Hey.
Fully Gaza, them for know we not
Tio. If we got Benz S-Class, Prada shades, we weird, brother. I no test glass this. No, man. Come on.
Who's back?
Yes.
Back again.
Gaza.
Gaza. Device back. Tell a friend.
Gaza.
Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
Oh, go on, World Ding. Where you do you? Ding that jump on the track. Where you do you, dog?
Jump on fresh from 13. When we walk, gal melt like ice cream. Face well cool like AC built-in. Talk tough, now your face get dentin. Have gal a line up them.
Step clean from that 13. I want you, man. And what gal melt like ice cream, man. Melting at themselves, man. With the egg, go on now.
On the thing hall because I seem crown them crown me king. I be a loyal man, they run the team. Ravers run the scheme straight like laser beam. Lift up everything low for the Gaza. Know anything or anything, father.
I mean, be a thugs in a scheme, man. Straight like laser beam, man. I want to them, man.
Some years but we back capital. Spaceship a fear fly round corner. We got Gaza nation from Ghana. Name big inna the Bronx, tax lava. Clean like whistle, you're refreshing at the Prada. Put more, squeeze it, papa, pam, pam, pam.
I mean, pour more, squeeze it, papa. Hey, you, man. Easy. Gaza big all a Ghana, eh? Yeah, man, Gaza go on the globe, man. Don't play it.
Back again. Shawn's back. Device back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back? Guess who's back?
Yeah, man, this active, man. Big up on yourself.
Bro, fresh from H.
Active, go on, man. Nah. Oh, I'm telling you, man. I hope they don't get like, hey, they ain't gonna say that. Nah. I'm too not going to want me jump on the beat. I want to do it. Yeah. I want done, you know. Don't know say Jambisco that, you know. We don't kill any reaction. Hey, we don't. I could tell the party too, though, because we don't know what did not chat over beat that go on to. Gang, I don't know anything about the one there. You see me and say Shawn Storm, Ding Dong, the one they name The Return. You see me and say, yeah man, the zombie is back, man. You see me and say, it's a good look. Shout out to Shawn Storm. You see me? They actually previewed that track on IG. But the final product definitely sounds a lot better than what they previewed. I'm not even gonna lie. That shit sounds way better, man. It sounds great. You see me? So it's glad to see that just glad to see that Shawn Storm is back and active when it comes to music. I know he lost his Shawn launched his podcast channel and all that. So Shawn Storm is back active and doing his thing, and it's got good look, gang. You see me? And say, yeah, man, definitely go show the artists them some love and support. But they know say they dance, you know. And also chop it up in the comment section. Let me know what your favorite part was, beats, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. You see me? And say, gang. As I said, road to 10K, you know, gang. You see me? And say, road to 10K. I'm like, what, 2,800 away from 10K? So hit the like and subscribe button. Y'all been very active lately in the comment section with the likes, and I appreciate it. I just hope we keep going strong. You see me? And say, and I hope to continue to drop these bangers, gang. I want to start drop more videos, multiple videos a day. You see me? And say, like 10 video a day, man. Want to do the levels there, but you see me? It's coming in time. You see me? And say, gang, but I appreciate y'all being there. You see me? And say, active with your boy. You see me? And say, we're going strong, road to 10K, and we're now stop road to 20, 100, a million. You see me? I need to start getting more active and I drop the bangers, them like. You see me? And say, gang, but I appreciate love and support, gang. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. And I'm
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.